Hello and welcome, guys. There's this guy was a Zimbabwe who says ukuba ne-ID South Africa is not an achievement. Kumele as South Africans sifunde sibe nama-diploma nama-degree. And this South African lady wambeka endaweni yakhe ukuthi do they use a diploma and degree to come to South Africa? Because each and every day they're coming to South Africa with their diplomas and degrees. And if bona bafundile kungani bangavusa amazwe abo bathuthukise amazwe abo. So mina ngithi ukuba ne IT as South Africa is a flex because most African countries are coming to South Africa, especially Zimbabwe and Nigeria. They are even go in extent to obtain the South African ID illegally. So watch this video and tell me what you think.
Okay, I don't want to speak in English. Let me try to speak in Zulu because I know most of South Africans, they understand Zulu. This message is for you South Africans. Ukuba ni ID yala e South Africa. Akusho ukuthi uphumelele baba. Akusho ukuthi uphumelele mama. Mawufuna impumelelo kumele ufunde ube nama degree. Laba bantu elibaqoshayo lapho ithi hey ama foreigners. Yes, they don't have the South Africans ID, but they've got degrees. They are educated. Bafundile. Wena awufundanga awuphethanga awuphethanga iphepha. Into oyiphethe nje i South African ID. Ozosixomela ngayo. Uthi hey mina ngila ngiwala kumele ngizosebenza lapho osebenza khona mara awufundanga yini leyo no singabantu sonke siyafana. Look at my skin and look at yours. Is there any difference? Hakuna mehluko. But nanithathi izinto ngathi mhlawumbe mawune ID uzophumelela because of an ID. No, nathi la sibuya khona sinawo ama ID. Sinawo ama-ID, but into isizisela ukufunda kuphela. Nawe uma ungafunda kahle wena uma ungafunda kahle uzophumelela eSouth Africa uyosebenza kwamanye amazwe angeke baqoshe futhi. Akusho ukuthi uphumelele ba.
So I came across the video of this gentleman who is speaking here. The gist of his video uthi ukuba ne-ID yase South Africa akusho ukuthi uphumelele. And thina as South Africans who do not want illegal foreigners in our country, asifundanga labantu esibaxoshayo okanye lapha ababantu esibagxothayo apha eSouth Africa banama degrees. Thina into esenza into kokubana sifune uba mabahambe ingoba asifundanga and we are jealous and lazy uba sifunde like them. Now ngifuna ukusebenzisa the same level of logic and the same level of reasoning as this guy who is on this video. Uthi lo mfana we only have i-ID yase South Africa but asifundanga sina asizo graduates. Maske sivume hypothetically sithi yes asifundanga as South Africans, right? Masivume sithi asizo graduates njengoba esitsho siphethe i-ID yase South Africa kuphela thina. And if that was to be the case, is that not the reason why we don't go around invading other people's countries and refuse to adhere and comply to laws of those countries? Is it not because of that? Because if asifundanga, our level of us being illiterate tells us that we don't have the basis of setting our feet in other people's countries because we are assuming in those countries there are laws, there are legislations, there are prescripts that each and every person is supposed to adhere to. And on the basis of that level of illiteracy, that we have as South Africans. We do not want to go around embarrassing ourselves, knowing that we lack degrees, we lack education, we lack sophistication, we lack intellect. So that's why we remain in our country as illiterates. Now I want to ask, wena sifundiswa saseZimbabwe, ufundile, kodwa uliqaba when it comes to understanding ukuthi awunohamba ngedegree, akwanjwa ngedegree, kuhanjwa ngepassport sibhanqa. On top of the passport, you acquire a visa. After you have acquired a visa, you state the reason of setting your foot in a country. You state for how long are you going to be in that country. You also divulge or declare your financial affordability of sustaining yourself whilst you are in that country. Ayikho kwi-degree leyo nto. Ayikho kwi-degree leyo nto. It's in the legislative laws of each and every country, including Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, do you use degree xa travel? Do you use a degree as a travel document? Don't come here and be a fool because you are trying to mock South Africans. In fact, we don't even need to explain ourselves how highly skilled even an illiterate South African is. We don't need to do that. And we're not going to lower our level of intellect to your stupid level because you are trying to justify something that is unjustifiable. You are even gaslighting us and blackmailing us. You are telling us about the skin color. Do you bother to look at the skin color when you sexually violate children of South Africa who are black like you? When you traffic children who are black like you? When you feed our children with drugs who are black like you? When you kidnap South African men who are black like you? Do you bother to remember what does it mean to be of the same skin? Or it only matters when you want to gaslight us as black South Africans because you don't want us to call you out on wrong things that you do when you are in our country? No, we don't need to plead. We don't need to please you guys. And we don't need to listen to you telling us about the importance of the color, of us sharing the same skin color. Because that skin color, it doesn't matter when you guys are doing all sorts of criminality in our country. And yes, we do not care how much education you hold. All of you. Go and be educated in your country. For that reason and more, you are educated, go find solutions to your problems in your countries. Stop flocking in our country and coming here to talk bullshit and think that it's going to make us change our mind. Whether you are black or you are white, if you are an illegal foreigner, go back to your country with your education or fly with your education. But in South Africa, we use travel documents and law to be in this country. And you will comply, whether you like it or you don't. Period.